Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add text to video in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're adding subtitles, creating title cards, or including captions for social media, this feature will help you make your videos more engaging and professional. First, you'll need to open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it launches, you'll see your project interface. At the bottom of the screen, locate and click on the Edit button. This will take you to the editing workspace where you'll handle most of your video editing tasks, including adding text overlays to your footage. Now, direct your attention to the top of the screen and click on Effects. This will open up a menu with various options. From there, click on Titles. The Titles section contains all the text and graphic elements you can add to your video, giving you access to different text styles and templates that DaVinci Resolve offers. Once you're in the Titles section, you'll see various text options and title templates to choose from. Take a moment to browse through what's available and select the one that best fits your project. For this example, let's choose Text, which is the basic text option that gives you full control over customization. After selecting text, simply drag it above your video clip on your timeline. This placement is important because it ensures the text appears as an overlay on top of your video footage rather than replacing it. You'll see the text layer sitting above your video track, indicating it's properly positioned. Now, click on that text layer you just added to your timeline. This selects it and prepares it for editing. Then on the top of the screen, click on Inspector. The Inspector panel is your control center for customizing the text element you've added. Inside the inspector, you'll see a text field where you can change the actual words that appear on screen. Simply click into this field and type whatever message you want to display in your video. This could be anything from a title to a quote to subtitles for dialogue, but that's not all. The inspector also gives you extensive control over your text design. You can adjust the font family to match your brand or video style, change the font face for different weights like bold or italic, modify the color to make your text stand out or blend in, adjust the size to make it larger or smaller, fine-tune the tracking to control spacing between letters, and modify the line spacing if you're working with multiple lines of text. These options give you complete creative freedom to make your text look exactly how you want it. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized text in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.